Hello, let's review the last week's forecast turn points. So here you can see these blue lines actually, and these white lines are bigger circles. We will talk about that. So these are the energy change point. It doesn't give you the direction. So the way we want to use them is when the market is going up into this change of energy, it should reverse. That's the whole idea. It's going down. This is 4 hours chart. And these are like 40 points. From here to here, 40 points. 29, 37, 27, 200 points. So these are very powerful turning areas. So if you have options in your mind, if you want to trade futures, but at least whatever methodology you have going for you, you can add this extra structure. Market was going up into this, and it all depends on how you pin the starting point. We have pinned it to 327. We will shift it if they stop working for us. We will shift it. Right now we are just going to still keep it. So let's mark it. You can see this one precisely told us this is the area for change. This is the area for change. You can just see it. This is the area for change. You can just see that. So if you have other indicators and ideas going on, which I can show you here. Let's say you have your own bands which we have created here, and you're expecting that market should be turning up or down when it gets out of this white band or it gets close to the white band. We know how to measure these. Then we are expecting it to reverse, and then we're expecting it to reverse, and then the timer is there. So we have energy to take it off. So 514, area 514, 513, end of 513, 514. In this example, we went long here, and you can see here, right here, end of 13, 14, it came. So you have gone long here too because this is a turn too. Right here, right? And here we are. So seemed like it did a decent job in advance. Now this is lines are going forward and we can do it for the whole month in advance, right? The only thing is it may shift, the frequency may shift a little bit. So we have to look at week by week if it is progressing correctly. If not, we have to adjust. So you can see you got all major highs and lows. Areas correctly. So this strategy of forecasting is, this one's pretty short. So you have an idea, then we can also look at our perfect karmic balance points. So you see this trend lines, but let me show you something different, how this can be used. So I'll draw, click here and click here. I think it went off a little bit, that's fine. Click here and click here. And maybe I should click here. And click here. So now I can use other tools. So what we are doing is we are measuring. Okay, so what we are doing is we are measuring the energy structure where market is going to go from these trend lines. So when market was going down and you're looking at this energy point coming in, it was at the top and it came down, and you saw this energy point coming in, this energy point coming in. Now you can use these lines as well. And this point is coming in. This is, you can see it stopped the market right there. So we had the time and the price vibration. This is 4-hour chart. So either way, you will have a structure. So we will keep this structure. So this is the heat map for this 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will just look at these areas of turn. This is central time. We can look at the bottom, and then you can act accordingly, and you just have to catch 1, 2 good trades a week on higher time frame. You can pick the whole rotation of the market for the entire week, and you're good to go. So if things don't, now this can work right here, down a little bit. I'm into this. We can look at here, look at here, look at here. So these are the point where we are going to act. Just drawing this roughly. So keep an eye on these. I should be drawing vertical lines. So you got an idea, the curve of turning points. You can use any other structures and geometry and shapes to pinpoint your prices as well. So we're keeping it right now the way it is. We may shift it, and we're going to pin it to the frequency of 369, which means 57 is a point that day is to pin into, because 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 is 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So 3, 6, 9. We are interested in 3, 6, or 9. 5, 4 looks, if I have to shift it, I will shift it in 5, 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So that's the way it is working out, and these are the composite waves coming from moon talisman structures. And because moon moves very fast, so we need those faster vibrations. Thank you very much.